The Vervain bag comes in two different versions in the instructions as well as in the video. This is the waist bag version, and there's also a crossbody bag version with an adjustable strap. The waist bag version uses metal rectangles and a slider to make the waist bag adjustable, and it secures with a parachute buckle. So you can find parachute buckles in either plastic, which is what I have here, or metal. For the crossbody bag version, instead of the strapping attached to the sides of the bag, the strap extenders will be attached to the back of the bag using a slightly different width, and those will be finished with D-rings and swivel clips, so you can remove the strap and put it back on, and that strap is adjustable as well. The front of the bag features a flap securing with magnetic snaps, and then the top closure is a zipper with a zipper pocket on the lining of the bag. So for this top zipper, you can either tuck the zipper tail on the lining side, or you can leave it hanging out like I'm showing here. So my favorite part of this bag is that it features sort of a three-dimensional look. So the side panel kind of continues along the front and the sides of the bag, and it gives the bag a nice three-dimensional look, and this is really easy to put together as well. The Vervain bag pattern features full color step-by-step instructions with a color photo for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 1 hour and 50 minutes long.